My name is Eric Lambert. I'm a staff cloud infrastructure architect based out of Montreal, Canada. And I am here to talk to you about the VMware Cloud on AWS Migration Lab. So the lab basically brings you through enabling a service called HCX that comes with VMware Cloud on AWS, and it then walks you through the deployment, the configuration of it, and we wrap up with doing actual migration. So how to migrate, what are the migration options that are available, and we finish with the migration of virtual machine from an on-premises data center to a VMware Cloud on AWS SDDC. So HCX use case is really about migration and hybrid cloud connectivity. So being able to bring bulk workload from on-premises, so multiple hundreds of VMs together, migrate them all at the same time, but also establish an hybrid connectivity between a on-premises data center to a VMware Cloud on AWS environment to be able to move workload back and forth if you need it to. So this lab is really targeted towards users that will take part into migration of on-premises VMware environment to a VMware Cloud-based cloud. So usually cloud administrator, architects, but also system administrator or VMware administrator. The lab is always updated. The services that we include are continuously updated, so we have to refresh the lab every year. And as new feature becomes available, we make them available in the lab so that users could experience them as well. Yeah, enjoy the lab. There's a feedback form at the end. We always look to make it better, so please fill out the survey, and hope you enjoy the lab.